Namaskaram, Vanakkam, Sat Sri Akal. How are you all doing today?
Good day to you all, and thank you very much. Thank you immensely for inviting me to participate in this celebration. It's a great honour, and I'm very, very humbled to be asked to attend. Because of you, because of the team that is Keller India, because of all of those that work with you, we have all of these qualities in high quality and in great volume. And that's, I sincerely believe, is what makes Keller India the success it has become over the last 20 years.
Good afternoon. It's such a wonderful time of get-together, and I think we are meeting like this face-to-face after 3 years of, the time lapse due to the pandemic difficulties. So it's such an honor. Welcome one and all. So it's truly a wonderful moment and a cherishful, excitement to all of us that how we build this organization brick by brick over the period of 20 years.
What we all feel in the group, what we all feel about the India business, the observations we've made. Harry just outlined all of the great things you've achieved over the last 20 years. And my job is to try to work out how do I take all of that to other parts of the world and how to do that.
I would like to also thank each one of you who made time to come to this event. We really appreciate. You came from different places, from sites, from offices. So really a big round of applause for each one of you. So can we have a round of applause for each one of you?